Yeah, we've had a very busy fall racing schedule slash off season for 2024. I was injured from Supercross with my thumb, and then I had the summer off. So it was an easy thing for us to load up on a bunch of racing, this fall. And SMX was successful, contending for wins, being in the mix at the front of the race there. And then the Nations, that was another really, really fun race, and, was at the front of the field. And then we also were able to do the WSX racing too, and to win that. So it's been very busy, been doing lots of traveling, seeing new places, and it's been a great time. There's plenty of guys that have potential to win. Of course, Hayden, I expect him to be winning races and be going after that championship. So that's the first guy that comes to mind. And then, of course, Max will be very strong. He's got a lot of experience under his belt, so I expect him to be very strong as well. Well, my biggest competition is going to be the defending champion. So everyone's got their eyes on Jet Lawrence. So he's the one that everyone's going after. He's the one, that is the guy to beat. The only superstition I used to have was dropping a new helmet, and I stopped doing that. Basically, when I turned pro, I just said I've had enough of that. But for me, no, I'm not a very superstitious guy. I don't really have any rituals. Main thing for me is good pre-season preparation and honestly, a good warm-up to start the day. It's just our stage, and being in that stadium, there's really nothing like it, especially the first time going in there. And that's one of the moments one of the best moments I've had was my very first podium, and hearing the crowd. It's there's nothing better than being inside that packed stadium and feeling the energy of the fans.